Hello, today we'll be making the transparent latch using this schematic. For the counter I filmed everything that I did, the bending and the soldering. It was quite a lot of footage, so I made a time-lapse of it, and that was, well, it was as useless as an ashtray on a motorcycle, so I thought I'd do things differently this time. So I'll take snapshots, images of each layer that I build up. So I hope that's a little bit more useful. If you're following along, here is the schematic I'll be using, so you can always come back to this. They're images, so there's no audio of me speaking. So let me go find some royalty-free music and we'll have a look. So I realize I haven't given any information about the relays I'm using. Here you have the dimensions, the search terms. It's a 12 volt double pole double throw relay, and the wiring diagram. From left to right we have the coil, the commons, the normally closed and the normally open contacts. So these are the relays I'm using. You can find them quite easily. Okay, so I've temporarily connected the counter to the latch. Power's on, everything's been reset. So we can dial a number. There's 7 in the counter, and it's a transparent latch, so the outputs of the latch are also showing 7. If we reset the counter, the output gets reset, and the latch also goes to 0. Let's say we dial the first digit. The digit will be latched into the first position. The counter will be reset, but the first digit remains. And again we store the second digit. We can reset the third digit and reset, and again for the fourth digit this one will reset. At this point the 4 modules, 4 latches will have a digit each, and we can continue the circuitry to the comparator. And if it's correct, open the vault. Thanks for watching.